Hello dear customers, now I'm going to show you how to install the floor lamp. Most of the time we send our customers the floor lamp disassembled because of the bulkiness. We are trying to save in space. All you need is a screwdriver to put it together. Flathead screwdriver. Now your box will be some metals, and I take the metal, put it on my table. As you see, there is one cable coming from the top part, and there is also bottom pipe. We're gonna put this wire on the bottom pipe. Slide it in. And I'm gonna tighten this one. And there you go. Now I'm gonna take the bottom stand, put these two wires again into the hole, and take it from the back. Before you connect the wires from the back, I'm just gonna tighten it. So it's tight. Now we have two wires coming from the bottom and connectors. So what we will do is we'll put these connectors into the hole and we'll tighten it with the flathead screwdriver. Now tighten the second one. Now it's connected. The floor lamp is connected. I'm just going to put it up. I also need to put the top piece. If you want to put it, you can always put it later on too. I'm just going to assume that is there. Now your floor lamp is up. Before I put the gloves, I will check the bulb. Now we have the bulbs. I'm just gonna put in the socket, tighten it. And this one is European style. In America we send it American style. So America we send American style, like this, but in this case I'm just showing with the Turkish style, European style. Here is the cable. I'm just gonna put it and the light comes on. Now I will show you how to put the globes in. Let's say we put all of these bulbs. Now we are ready to put the globes. Hold this spring slowly, gently, and slowly slide it in. Don't release it quickly. And now it's in. Now we have the bottom piece. We'll just put the bottom piece the same way. Hold it slowly. And then slowly push it in. That's it. Let's turn the lights on again. Ta-da! Your light is on. Ready to use. Thank you. Enjoy it.